Hello, introducing the LifeSaving Defensive Driving for New, Young, and Other Drivers online course. Road traffic accident is a showstopper. The consequences, including death, injuries, disabilities, and damage to vehicles and other properties, are quite devastating to the victims, family members, friends, and colleagues. If you or someone you know has been involved in a road accident, you will understand its effects. Driving is an activity that not only involves the body but also the mind. Regular driver education programs focus mainly on teaching the learners how to drive, that is, operate a vehicle, and not much on making the drivers aware and respond to driving hazards. This gap created the need for defensive driving training. However, a lot of the existing defensive driving courses are designed to help drivers regain their demerit points and driver's license, not very much focused on changing the drivers into road safety hazard-conscious individuals. What makes the Life-Saving Defensive Driving for New and Young Drivers online course stand out from the pack is that it is designed to save the life of the driver and other road users by transforming the individual into a safe driver for life, physically and mentally. Besides this, the course comes with other advantages as follows. It specifically addresses the vulnerability of the new and young drivers and their proneness to death and injury on the road. It is developed by a seasoned certified health and safety professional with expertise and years of experience in road safety hazard management. It provides physical safe driving practice and mental safe driving practice resources to help the drivers become safe on the road for life. It contains brief quizzes and comes with a completion certificate. Register now to take the course or recommend it to somebody. Visit www.healthandsafetyassistant.com to enroll. Here are a couple of reviews from persons who have taken the course. My name is Jane. I took this course with my teen son who has just started to drive, and I must confess that despite my years of driving, I learned a lot of safe driving techniques I never knew existed. The information in the course was presented in an interactive way, as if you were in the classroom. My son was quite grateful for the knowledge he gained, and he now drives with a lot of confidence and safety in mind. I am Mike. As the father of a young driver, your program has assured me that I can let her drive alone without any worries about her safety. Thank you so much for making this course and its resources available.